Today, we're diving into the Intel Thin Canyon NUC Kit DE3815TYKHE, a compact powerhouse designed to fit seamlessly into any personal computing setup. What sets this NUC apart is its fanless design, ensuring whisper-quiet operation, making it perfect for those who value a serene computing environment. Equipped with both HDMI and VGA ports, it offers versatile display options to suit any setup. One of the standout features is its multiple OS options, allowing users to tailor their computing experience to their preferences. Whether you're a Windows aficionado or prefer the flexibility of Linux, this NUC has you covered. With 4 GB of built-in eMMC storage, it provides ample space for essential files and applications. Plus, the internal support for a 2.5-inch HDD or SSD offers the flexibility to expand storage further according to your needs. Wireless connectivity is seamless thanks to the built-in antennas, ensuring fast and reliable internet access without the hassle of external dongles. The inclusion of a front panel USB 3.0 port enhances convenience for quick data transfer, while the back panel headphone microphone jack caters to your audio needs. In terms of personal use, this NUC excels as a compact personal computer, delivering reliable performance for everyday tasks without compromising on space or aesthetics. Its sleek design and compact form factor make it a stylish addition to any workspace or entertainment center. Overall, the Intel Thin Canyon NUC Kit DE3815TYKHE offers a compelling package for those seeking a powerful yet compact computing solution. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, this NUC delivers the performance and versatility to. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.